Hello students, today we will start with the first chapter of NCRT subject accounts, introduction of accounting. So let me tell you what is accounting. So as the definition is giving you chapter in your chapter, let me make you understand what is the meaning of accounting. So in accounting, you have to let me show you. So in accounting, what you have to do? In accounting, we record all the transaction of any business. In accounting, we record all the transaction of any business. Okay? But which type of transactions we are recording? We are recording all the financial transaction. Now, here the point arises, what are financial transactions? Okay, so let me tell you, as a human, we do two type of activities. So, the human activities are divided into two parts. Human activities are divided into two parts. The first one is economic activity and the second one is non-economic activity. So what is economic activity? Economic activities are those activities which we can measure in term of money. It means that the activities for which we earn something, we are doing those activity for the objective of doing those activity is to earn something. Means the activity which can measure in term of money is known as economic activity, and the non-economic activities are come with love, with affection, sympathy. These all are the effect of non-economic activity. Say, for an example, if your mother is cooking food in a home, then it will be considered as non-economic activity. And if your mother is cooking food in a restaurant, if she is a chef in a restaurant, then it will become an economic activity. So tell me what I am doing right now. Am I doing economic activity or a non-economic activity? Yeah, you are absolutely right. This is an economic activity. When I am teaching to my students in my classroom in the school, then this will become an economic activity because I am doing that activity. The objective of doing that activity is to earn something. It can be measured in terms of money. That's why it is an economic activity. Okay, but at the same time, if I am teaching to my son at home, then I can't ask my son that you have to pay 1000 per hour or 700 per hour for this lecture. Okay, so it will become a non-economic activity. So in accounting, when you are recording a transaction of any business, you have to record only financial transaction. It means that only economic transaction. So you can say that financial transaction and economic transaction are same words. Okay, so the transaction which can be measured in term of money are recorded in the books of account, and it will become the accounting of any organization. Okay, got my point? What is accounting? Okay, so let's go in on our topic. So, as per my explanation, in 1941, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant had defined accounting as the art of recording, which I already taught you that accounting is recording of financial transaction. Okay, The second step in accounting is classifying your data. Okay, what is the second step of accounting? Classifying your data. So what, you can ask me, ma'am, what do you mean by classifying? It means that every related transaction which are of same nature, are which are of same nature, same nature are classified in, one account, one account, or you can say in one ledger. This is your practical chapter in which we study how to prepare a ledger of accounts. So in accounting, first you have to record each and every transaction in the journal book. Then after preparing a journal, you have to classify the similar type of book in one ledger, in one account, say cash account, purchase account, sales account. So that is known as classifying of that data. Okay. Then the third, he said, summarizing of that data, because in accounting, in finalization of accounting, you have to prepare three type of accounts, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet account. So all the transactions are classified in these three accounts, in any of these three accounts. Okay. So in this way, you can get whether you earn something in this year or not. So accounting is not only doing journal, it also includes all the activities like doing journal, classifying in a ledger, summarizing in a final account, and as well as it also includes your decisions, your result. After preparing all the accounts, what result you got, it is also included in the definition of accounting. Okay, so let's read the definition. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant had defined accounting as an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner. Why it is said significant manner? Because there are many principles and the accounting standards which each and every business or each and every organization have to follow before preparing those accounts. So you can't prepare the accounts according to yourself. You have to prepare your accounts according to the accounting standards. Those are known as accounting standards or accounting principles or Companies Act. So you have to prepare Companies Act 2013. So you have to prepare the accounts of any company or any organization in a significant manner, and that significant manner has classified in either accounting standards, accounting principle, guidelines, and Companies Act. Okay, so that's why it is given in the definition that accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner which transaction. Yeah, you are absolutely right. Financial transaction means those transactions which can be measured in term of money. That's why it is written in the definition, and in term of money. All the transaction or any event which are of at least of financial character, means what you are recording should have one character, that is it can be measured in term of finance or money. Okay, and in last sorry interpreting the result thereof. After preparing all the account from journal to final account, all the book of account have to give some results. This is known as definition of accounting. Hope you get my point. Why in the definition they are written recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner. The thing, because they are distributed as in recording, we have to do journal. In classifying, we have to prepare laser. In summarizing, we have to prepare a final account. And results show us whether we earn something as a net profit or loss in the business in the end of the year. Okay, so this is your definition of accounting. So let's read quickly. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant had defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying, summarizing. In which way? In a significant manner. Which transaction? In term of money. Which transaction and event, at least a part of financial character, and interpreting the result thereof. In last, they will give some results. Okay, got my point? So this is the definition of accounting.